And the bass keeps running, running, and 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 in this context, we make disrespect when I bust around. You break connect. We got 5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect, collect the ripple effect. Are you all ready for fun? Break away from tradition. 'Cause when we beat out, girl is pointing without. You wouldn't believe how we wow. Burn it till it burn out, turn it till it turn out. Acting up from northwest, east, south. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Let's get stupid, get started, get started, get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Yeah, yeah. Lose control of body and soul. Don't move too fast, people, just take it slow. Don't get ahead, just jump into it. You hear about it, the peace will do it. Get started, get stupid. Do you want the body? People will walk you through it step by step like an infant new kid. Inch by inch with a new solution. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Let's get started. Get started, get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started.
I've been working out on this shit, and I'm like, I never used to be able to lift this trophy.
Running, running, and running, running, and running, running.
Kicks off our Red Bike Olympics. If you have not done your 60-yard dash, today's the day to do it.
Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Let's get stupid. Get started. Get started. Get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here.
Yeah! Drop that!